How to Write a Song That Doesn't Suck, Part 2. Well, this is interesting because I wrote that song before going on tour, and now it is after the tour. It's probably about 2 months later. I'm listening to this song and I'm coming up with ideas and nothing is really sticking. So we're gonna go with a plan B for this video, and that is lesson number 438 in music: kill your darlings. The goal of part 1 was how to write a song that doesn't suck, and got to the part where I actually had to write lyrics and craft a chorus and everything, and it's just not coming together. So, no, this sucks. This sucks. Not good. You gotta kill your darlings sometimes. Every idea cannot be your best idea. You're not gonna make it with every song. Every song you write isn't gonna be this anthem that's gonna change your life and your career and everybody else's life who listens to it. Sometimes you're gonna write a song and you're just gonna say, I can't do anything with this song right now, and you gotta put it aside. However, that's how you end up with loads of unfinished projects, but that's all part of the process. You have to write 1,000 songs to write a few bangers, and that's just kind of how it goes. Our album that we have coming out in February, I think I wrote 45 songs for this thing, and we ended up recording 15. So there was a lot that were really good in that batch of 45 songs that they just weren't where they needed to be to make the album, or they just weren't completed enough, or some of them just like weren't that good. And I think it's important to not look at every song as your masterpiece, but you have to just get the ideas out there and then move on to other ideas. You can't dwell on one idea if it's not taking you anywhere where you want to be. So, for the purpose of this song, we're putting it in the bin. We're putting it on hold. I'll get back to it at some point and we will revive this song, and I think it can be good. There are some really catchy elements of it that I was working on. Right now it's not coming together on camera on a YouTube video. If you want to see other like writing on camera videos, like I have plenty of those. There's a playlist linked here. No one actually gets the point right, but that's where the thing is, I think. Anyway, yeah, I think it's just an important lesson to take, that you should not always be dwelling on pieces of work that are not going anywhere. So for the meantime, we're gonna put this song aside and nothing bad will happen because of it, and just write a new song tomorrow. So sorry to disappoint, but that is life. Life is disappointing, and songwriting is a process. We just can't pretend that all these songwriters on YouTube are just always writing the perfectly crafted song. Like, no, there's a ton of shit that they write and they go, this isn't working, and they put it aside. And I think it's important to highlight that. Sometimes it's okay to hang the boots up on a track and just move on. I think that's it.